Hello, my friends. My name is Horace. Maybe you want to learn English, but every time you try, it feels difficult. Maybe you feel shy or afraid of mistakes. Don't worry, I am here with you. In this channel, we will learn English slowly, step by step, like friends talking together. No pressure, no stress, only simple English, easy English. So sit back, relax, and let's start your journey to fluent English together. All right, my friends, now we begin our very first step in learning English. The first step is very simple. It's about knowing and practicing a few small words. These words are easy, but very important, so let's learn them together. The first word is hello. Say it with me. Hello. We use this word when we meet someone. For example, when I meet you, I say, "Hello, my friend." The next word is goodbye. Repeat after me. Goodbye. We use it when we leave someone or when someone is going away. The next word is please. Say it slowly. Please. We use please when we ask for something politely. For example, please give me water. And the last word for today is thank you. Say it with me. Thank you. It means you are showing respect or saying shukriya. Now, let's practice a few small sentences together. Listen first, then repeat after me. Hello, my name is Horace. Goodbye, see you soon. Please give me water. Thank you, my friend. Excellent. You are doing very well. Remember, if you are repeating with me, you are already learning. These small words are the first steps to big English. Don't rush, take it slow. Step by step, your English will become stronger. This is only the beginning, and I promise I will stay with you on this journey of English. I am Horace, and I'm happy to be your teacher and your friend. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye, my friends.